Hey guys, what's up? It's me again after years. The last time you saw me I had one baby. Now I have two. I'll show you guys some soon. It's just a regular day in my life. Hopefully posting at least one full YouTube vlog a week, but I haven't posted on TikTok and Instagram, so I'm not sure how many people follow me there. But just talking about YouTube, I have been so MIA. So much has changed. But yeah, let's get into the day. Honestly, I've just been really going through some shit at the end of last year, especially. Last year was like super hard on my family for a lot of personal reasons and even legal things that happened in regards to my career stuff, which I can't even talk about. But it really took a toll on me. And then obviously my daughter got hurt like at the end of the month, at the year near her birthday, so it was like a whole bunch of shit. But I told myself I'm gonna try my best to not let those things kind of affect me. I think you guys know from even in the past, like minor things like really get to me and it takes me a while to like really bounce back. So this year, that's one of my goals, to not let those kind of things bother me. But what we're going to do is start off to really just kind of get in the groove and get things going. Positive mindset, environment, energy, all that is cleaning this freaking room. Okay, my makeup room, I don't remember the last time it was like perfect, like, you know, like perfectly clean the way I wanted everything. When I say I don't remember last time, I'm talking about like it's been forever, like years. Okay, there's always some kind of mess in some kind of corner, but I'm trying to really deep clean. I've been working on it for like weeks at this point and it still looks like this. You're gonna probably judge me when I show you, so let me show you. So here she is. Here she is. I literally, it's a mess. It's a huge mess, and honestly you might be like, no, you're gonna, obviously this is messy, you're not gonna say it's not messy, but it was worse. Like there was no stepping spot. So already I have some things cleaned. I know this looks like a mess, but this is actually an organized mess because I have garbage and I have bags separated to different things. I'm also deep cleaning these cupboards and really just decluttering things that I don't need, because as you can tell they are filled to the rim. And we're going to start organizing everything and all that. So yeah, I'm going to take you guys along with me for all that. Another angle of my dirty room. Like please, I cannot wait to be done this. For now, what I'm doing is just taking pictures of PR so I can post those and put these away. Also started back on my fitness journey and I've been pretty consistent this month. I'm taking it kind of like in a realistic route to it. I'm not doing any kind of like crash dieting stuff. I'm not even really doing OMAD. That's something I usually do when I try to like first start with losing weight. I'm just eating realistic meals that I can continue eating and have it be sustainable, even in terms of going to the gym. I'm going in a realistic amount of time for me. I'm hoping to do some classes once I build my stamina up. Honestly, I'm really just like go with myself in like all ways, literally in all ways. So I'm really trying to improve myself in just like all aspects of life. So yeah, it's like a quick little update on where we are. Azu's at school right now. My daughter's sleeping, but I'll show you guys her when she's up. And Azu was like really excited to start vlogging again, so I'm sure he's gonna really enjoy it. If you guys have followed us on TikTok, we do vlogs there too, so yeah. Actually using this lip balm from the PR because my lips be looking crusty. They're always dry. No matter how much I put lip balm on, my lips get dry eventually. And I drink so much water, so I don't even know what the issue is. Here are the babies. So this is Ahanti. And this is Azariah. You guys know Azu, you've seen him before, but it's been a long time.
Yeah. and my eye is shaped of a
square.
It's just
yeah. Are you excited to start vlogging?
Yeah.
We're a lot of fun stuff, right?
Yeah.
We just came back from his dance class. The Auntie say hello. So supposedly since we're vlogging now, we need dogs.
Of course.
What are we doing, Azu?
We're drawing Gabby.
Gabby, we're doing coloring pages.
I got Gabby with the heart.
Yeah, and I don't know what's this guy's name.
No, I think it's Keiki.
Oh, Keiki? Okay, yeah, I picked this one because I want to color all the sweet stuff. So let's go. Look at you. Wow, yeah. So let's see how yours looks so far. Beautiful. Look how good you did coloring in the lines.
Ah.
This is mine. Azu's helping me with the color choices. It's the next day, and we are going to my family's house for my cousin's birthday. Badish's birthday. Are you guys excited?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's just they're not really doing anything. It's just dinner at his house, and so I still look like a hobo, but you know, they look cute. I can now see that I need to fix the auntie's hair. One is to the side, one is to the top. Here's Azu. You guys excited?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can I show you something, guys?
Sure, go. This is what you wanted to show them? Wow, that's you. Say hi. Yeah, every time she sees this one, she's like, wow. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Hey guys, welcome to a new day. Today is going to be a work day, so we're going to be filming content. I actually haven't created like actual like new beauty content except for like one transition all year, so it's been a month and it's time that I start to create. I just miss it. It also just like makes me feel so much better when I'm actually working, but like it takes me some time to like get back into the groove once I stop. It's like a constant thing that happens to me. But yeah, I have a bunch of videos planned. I want to at least be able to do 2 or 3 because I actually have more content that I've pre-filmed that I can post, but it's a lot of family content. I don't want to just post family content back to back to back, so I'm trying to film some solo like beauty content. So that's what we're going to do right now, and then we're also going to go to my friend Harshini's house. She owns Jody Box, and she's doing a little Valentine's Day shoot with Aarti, so I'm just gonna go there. I don't really know if they technically really need my help, but I'm going as a helping hand and taking Azu because Azu and Harshini's daughter are besties, and yeah, that's the plan for today. But let me show you what I did to my makeup room so far because I'm so proud. Again, it's an organized mess. Okay, so obviously that's just garbage. Here I have like a bunch of stuff for giveaway stuff. This is stuff for my friends. This is garbage. Those are just like knickknacks from Brad. This is all stuff that has to go downstairs, or just like random stuff. The Mickey ears, like I need to find a place for those kind of things. So there's that, and then here is some old JRE stuff I need to put away, and then a bag of new makeup. This is all hair and body care, has skincare, fragrance and stuff like that, and that's just a little bit more makeup, but those are things I bought, I believe, mainly. Yeah, I cleaned up this shelf, but this is all still dirty. Not dirty, just messy. I gotta go through these. Rest I have to like fully go through and declutter and get rid of things that I am not gonna be using. But I did organize my fragrance. The stuff in the back is Libby's, okay? I have to, but yeah, look at it, so cute. You might look at that and be like, girl, what? That's still messy, but it is so much better because it's organized mess, okay? So as soon as I get some more storage like container thingies to actually fill those in, I'm gonna start getting rid of things today. I'm gonna put those in and we're gonna stock everything up, and I actually made space in 2 new drawers as well, which is a big bonus. And yeah, take you guys along the way. Again, it's gonna be a long ass process. First drawer I'm attacking is this. So all these things are new basically, and obviously these are old. Like I have like Kylie lipsticks, and I'm a hoarder, so I just like kind of don't want to like throw it because like it reminds me of a time, you know. Am I ever gonna use it? No. Maybe I'll like keep like 2 of them that I use the most just for the memes and then toss it. Also these ABH liquid lipsticks, I use like the nudes a lot. These colors I've like barely touched, so I'm probably gonna get rid of some of those. Then also there's like random ones in here, like Fenty, everything I use basically. I have all these so far. Makes me so sad. I'm such a hoarder, hence this issue. We're not trying to be a hoarder this year. Oh my god, I used to love the shade Requiem too. Like teal. Oh my god, I used to love this. Front and center is definitely gonna be my Fenty, because that's the ones I use the most. I'm just gonna put all of them here for now and then organize in terms of the Gloss Bomb heats, creams, all that good stuff. I am a Fenty girl. I love everything. So obviously I am so blessed to have so much makeup sent to me by PR. So I always put a bunch away for giveaways and donations, and I give it to my sister and my family, whatever, and also to my friends. So in our friend group, I usually will just like post things. It's like first comes first serve, whoever wants it. Then we just make a list of it. Then I give it to them. I'm gonna add these NARS ones in there because they're really pretty. I just don't think they are gonna work the best for me. I think they would really like these. So yeah, let's see who wants it. Hi! What happened? Wow! Every time you see the camera, wow! Hi! And Harshini's daughter did a cute little tea party set up for Azu and her. Are you excited? Good morning! Hi! What are you doing? Somebody's home from school. Uh-oh, Jumba. You okay, baby?
I'm gonna open this.
Couldn't find my camera this whole time, but I found it. Hi, baby girl. Who is this? A auntie? Yeah. The camera keeps going in and out. I don't know what's going on. Also, my house is a mess because, yeah, we have 2 kids. It's always messy. That's how everything's every day. Yeah, you can use it as a 6 or a 9. Hug!
Ow.
Who is this? Da! Hey! What are you doing?
Well, I'm gonna swing and then I'm gonna jump into my plushie.
Oh! Yeah.
I'm not.
Body
I
Koopa? What did you forget? That's okay. Thank you for cleaning up the toys. So Azu is going to start doing chores in the house so he can make some money.
I'm gonna make some more money to put in my picket box.
Yes. Okay. So Azu is obsessed with this. I printed these pictures for him to color because he loves to color. Let's show it to him. Are you ready to see?
Yeah.
Look at the pages. Look what they are. There's 3 pages. Do you see?
Yeah.
Do you love it?
Yeah.
It's time to go, Missy. Can we go? We are going to HomeSense now. We're at HomeSense. This girl refuses to go any direction we say. Hello, Missy. Auntie. Oh, Jumba, are you okay? Yeah, okay. Dinner, ramen from Anderson. These wings are not coated at all. I don't know what happened. And I'm watching Look So Kitty. I got a bunch of containers at HomeSense, and honestly, they're really affordable compared to like Kitchen Stuff Plus and stuff, which is where I usually get it. I know Kitchen Stuff Plus right now was buy one get one 50% off the last time I went, which was a few days ago, if anyone's interested, for these acrylic containers. But this still worked out to be way cheaper because this is like, there's like 4 or 5, like maybe like 6-ish pieces, and it was like 10 bucks. And like this comes with 2 of these containers. This one was like $12, so I think it's really worth it. So you guys should check it out. HomeSense. Obviously all the HomeSenses have different stuff, but there's so many different variations. I just got the ones that I thought would be useful for the products that I'm going to be putting in these. I pretty much have like a whole empty one right here, which I'm going to put all my hair like accessories, so like hair ties, bobby pins, scrunchies, all that stuff in here. And if there's more space, I'm going to put hanties in here as well. Okay guys, so it is the next day. I did some cleaning yesterday. I want to show you guys when my battery died. I am going to end the vlog here, but before we do that, let me just show you the progress we've made in my makeup room. I'm talking about my makeup room, and then we'll continue on in the next vlog. So she is decluttered, like super decluttered. I got rid of like half of it, and then in here I still have more lippies, but these are basically MAC, Huda, and Juvia's Place, as you can see. And they're just like actual lipstick. We cleaned her up. This is all my foundations. And then here I have the concealers I mainly use. These are basically products I mainly reach for that are like my go-tos for like always. It's just a hair accessory drawer. I'm going to also add 2 more bins for like bigger bobby pins for when we do like Indian styles. And then also for safety pins again, because it kind of goes with this. Then here, don't mind all these makeup stains, I gotta clean it once I'm done, but here is gonna be the drawer of where I basically put new makeup that I'm gonna do videos with. That's what I have been kind of struggling with. It's like I never like know where to find my new makeup. So here I have a set of foundations, whatever. I'll go through in detail after, but here it is. And then I really decluttered the skincare drawer, but it's not done yet, so I'll go through that after. Anyways, I'll go through everything properly later in the next vlog as well, because I don't know how many people probably stayed until this part. But yeah, thanks for watching our first vlog back. I know that we didn't do much, but I'm going to be doing a lot this weekend, so I thought, let me cut it off here because I don't want my vlog to be too long. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you guys in the next one.